Hi, I'm Michael Robinov, co-founder and CEO of Farm to People. We're an online farmers market grocery delivery service based in New York City. We're gonna do north of $20 million this year in sales and growing about 100% year over year. I find that my biggest headache is all of the minute details. So whether that's data entry, whether that's going through and auditing a process, all of the paperwork around different things like that tend to be things that feel like they should take the least amount of time, but often take the most amount of time. A virtual team would make a huge impact on our business. For a human to need to look into the data, whether it's cash flow data, whether it's customer retention data, whether it's product specific, that's time consuming, that's hard, that requires a really specific skill set. And then it requires cross-team support for someone in data to be able to talk to someone in customer service or someone in marketing to be able to act upon that. And all of that takes time, which inevitably means that you're less relevant to the customer by the time you're able to make that insight a reality. And so an AI agent being able to do this in real time and be able to trigger real-time marketing or real-time financial improvements is gonna be a driving force in whether or not Farm to People can stay ahead and be the company we want to be 3, 5, 10 years into the future.